Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Second year student, this is question number 5. Last question of exercise 5.1. It has same steps like question number 1. Graph the same statement, graph the solution of linear inequality expressions. Just difference is that in first question only one linear inequality expression is given, while in question number 5 there are 3 linear inequality expressions. I have solved 3 linear inequality expressions by one. X-intercept 4 0, y-intercept 0 minus 3, testing point 0 is less than 12, it's true, graph is towards origin. For second linear inequality expression, associated equation, x-intercept, y-intercept, testing point 0 is not greater than 3, it's false, so graph is away from origin side. For third linear inequality expression, associated equation, x-intercept 9 and 0, y-intercept 0 and 9 by 2, 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5, testing point 0 is less than 9, it's true, so graph is towards origin side. Now we are going to plot a graph. For first linear inequality expression, 4 and 0, on x-axis 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 value lies on this point, 4 and 0. While on y-intercept 0 and minus 3, this is 0 and minus 3, 1, 2, 3, and lies at this point, 0 and minus 3. While in second case, in second linear inequality expression, x-intercept 1 and 0, this is 1 and 0. First join these two points. Its graph is towards origin. And for second linear inequality expression, one point is 1 and 0, x value is 1 and y value is 0. It lies at this point, 1 and 0. While second is 0 and 1 and 0, and its second point is 0 and 1.5, 3 by 2. This is 0, this is 1, suppose 1.5 lies here, 0 and 3 by 2. Now join these 2 points, this point 0 and 3 by 2, this point 1 and 0. In this condition, graph is, this is not satisfied. So graph is away from the origin in this direction. While in third case, this case satisfies, it's true, its graph is towards the origin. For values 9 and 0, on x-axis its value is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 0. And second value is 0 and 9 by 2. On x-axis value is 0 and on y-axis 9 by 2, 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose 4.5 lies here. 0 and 4.5 or 9 by 2. Join these 2 points. With the help of scale and forward it. Its graph is towards origin. Now shade the area. For first linear inequality expression, this one graph is towards the origin in this side. This one is origin. And for second linear inequality expression, this is graph is away, this is origin. Graph is away from the origin. Common shaded area, red and black. While for third linear inequality expression, that is this one, the graph is again towards the origin, blue lines. The combined area of black, blue and red line is our required graph. So this region is our required graph. This region having blue lines, red lines and black lines. This is our required graph. Now your exercise 5.1 is completed. Practice all questions. Now solve all remaining parts of question number 5. All parts of question number 5 have same method. Exercise number 5.1 completed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.